Good morning, traders, investors. Dale Silver, Trader Boys. We got the market's basically flat, so we got a little bit of indecision what direction we're going to go on here. Nasdaq is up slightly, and that's basically because Tesla is up 2.5%, so that's driving the Nasdaq up there to the positive area. We're seeing a little difference here. Is dollar is down again. Money coming out of bonds. Oil is flat, and money coming into bonds and into silver here. Gold's still dropping a little here. So what we may see is money come out of the equity markets and move into the safe havens of bonds and commodities here. You can see across the board here, techs are all slightly up. No big movers here except for the news on Tesla for the 5-for-1 split. And then our Corona plays are all down. And the watch list here yesterday did very good. A lot of these stocks moving 4 and 5% there yesterday. So big moves there. Let's go to the Dow 30 real quick. Across the Dow here. Apple's up a little, Home Depot's up a little, and then we can kind of see a sea of red except for just a select few through here. News today, not a great deal to report here. Import prices, export prices are coming out here at 8:30 Eastern, and then delinquencies on mortgages are coming out at 12 o'clock. So no major reports coming out to really move this market. One to probably watch and keep an eye on is 1 o'clock, the 30-year bond auction. So there's some concerns about the sale of bonds and make sure there's going to be buyers in this market. So that'd be interesting to kind of see if there's any impact there. Jump over to the charts here. S&P, decent move yesterday. Basically an inside day. We did just break above the high of yesterday, but basically an inside day there. If we drop down to the 60-minute time frame here, there's a little 15-minute zone right here that's kind of holding the market right now through the overnight session. So this is where we traded down to yesterday, and it's just holding here. So this may bounce up here and then continue the up move. I just don't have a lot of expectations for a lot of movement today, and just like anybody else, I could be wrong. Russell 2000 on the daily time frame here, it's been sideways here. So Tuesday, Wednesday, and we're opening inside that range again. So we need to kind of wait on the Russell 2000 to make a decision. Does it want to go up? Does it want to go down? To take any day trades in the Russell. You got inside days, they're choppy days, and they chop your account to pieces. On the Nasdaq, we are getting some up movement here off a little demand level down the bottom here on the smaller time frame, 5-minute demand level there. We got a little bit of overhead supply here, nothing major, and we continue up here. So once again, that Nasdaq will be hunting new all-time highs just for the news event of it, and that keeps suckering money into those markets. The VIX is not doing much. It's basically flat, sitting around that 22 mark still. And we've got oil, the oil markets, sitting up here at 42.69. So oil is somewhat bullish right here. So it continues its climb, right, very slowly. A little tiny retracement, and we're trying to climb here. We get above these highs here, and we could get some momentum there to the upside. And 47.07 is where we have a decent supply level up here. It's going to kind of give us some hindrance of going forward. So right through here, we're already filled that gap, but through the gap, so there's really nothing to stop the oil markets other than we need some demand to get it moving. Right. Here we got the gold markets. Gold took a big drop, which is absolutely beautiful. Right. Came down to a little demand level right in here. Strong move up, broke above the supply level here. That we looked at there yesterday into the supply, so we just kind of stagnated here, not much happening. Right here's a little demand level, we just bounced up that little demand level, and we'll see if we can get some momentum to stop pushing this back north again and get moving on the upside. So let's just come back to the daily time frame real quick. Let's look at where we are. Beautiful retracement, absolutely beautiful retracement. So now we're looking for the momentum to start this process and keep trucking for that 2,500 mark. 2,500 is the long-term target we're looking for in the gold market at this point in time. On the bond front, the bonds 30-year Treasury note is in demand right now, sitting in demand. So a beautiful retracement off the high right there into demand. So if we go above this candle's high on the daily time frame, you got a trade going north in bonds. Now bonds can't go too far north because they're attached to the interest rate, and interest rates, the yield is already extremely low. Right, so there's your quick morning update. Dale Silver, Trader Boys. We will see you bright and early Friday morning.